I'm going to show you how you can play the SEGA Mega Drive Classics on Nintendo Switch. Now, there's two options you can do. First off, you can buy the physical Mega Drive Classic game. You can find it on retailers there. You can't buy it from the Nintendo eShop. Sadly, it's not available on the eShop. You can only get it physically. You can get it on these retailers here. Now, if you don't want to buy it from retailers, there is a way you can play it online here, right? So if you buy Nintendo Switch online, you can get the SEGA Mega Drive Classics for free, right? Now, it's called a SEGA Mega Drive in the North America, but on the USA, it's called the SEGA Genesis, right? So if you go to the Nintendo eShops here, so let's just go to the Nintendo eShop here, you can see we can go to the search or browse section up here. Now, on the search or browse option here, we can enter in the keyword. We're gonna type in Genesis like this. Genesis. Just tap on accept after that. Let's just wait for it to load. Once it loads, you might need to scroll down a little bit, but you can see the SEGA Genesis Nintendo Switch Online here. Remember, Mega Drive and the Genesis, it's the same thing, it's just a different name. Tap on this SEGA Genesis. It's a free download if you have Nintendo Switch Online. If you have Nintendo Switch Online, then you can download it for free. So just tap on free download here to play your SEGA Genesis or your SEGA Mega Drive Classics.